Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the general overview of the optical fiber communication system. So the primary objective of optical fiber communication system is to transfer the signals containing the information, voice, data, video signals from one particular source to the destination point. So this particular block diagram shows the optical fiber communication system components. Here we can see the source of information as the first component, and the source of information enters into the electrical transmission. So in this electrical transmission, the signal will be transmitted in electrical form and it enters into the optical source. So to convert this electrical signal to the optical signal, we need laser, LED, like the components which converts the electrical signal to light signal, and this light signal will travel through the optical fiber cable in the transmission medium and it enters into the photodetector. So in this photodetector we will be having the phototransistors or photodiodes to convert the light signal to electrical signal, and finally it reaches the destination point. So overall, if you look at this particular optical fiber communication system, we need a transmitter and an optical fiber system and a receiver section. So in the transmitting section, the electrical signal is converted to optical signal and it is transmitted through the optical fiber. And in the receiver section, again this light signal is converted into electrical signal. We can see more clearly what are all the elements which are involved in the optical fiber communication system here. So first of all, in the transmitter we are having a driver and light circuit which converts this light electrical signal into an optical signal in the transmitter section, and the converted light signal, it is traveled towards the optical fiber cable and it goes through the regenerator section and it reaches as an optical signal to the receiver section. In this receiver section, again we will be having the photodiode or phototransistors which converts this light signal into the electrical signal. So normally an optical fiber cable will be having three main components called as the core, cladding and the protective covering. So the core is a thin glass center of the fiber where the light travels in the optical fiber. The cladding is the outer material which surrounds the core, and finally the cladding will be covered by a protective covering material which gives the core cladding the protection from the mechanical shocks. So here actually we can see the fiber core, and after the fiber core here we can see the cladding material, and out of the cladding material we are seeing the plastic jacket which is the covering for both the cladding as well as the core material. The core, which is a glass material, is made up of silica glass, and it can also be made using plastic also, which is having a lower refractive index than the cladding. So the benefits of optical fiber communication system is it has an immense bandwidth for the utilization. The total electrical isolation in the transmission medium, it can provide totally complete isolation from the electromagnetic interferences, and it has a very low transmission loss, and the size and the weight of the optical fiber cables is also very low when compared to the other transmission cables, and the security of the signal is very higher when compared to the other transmission mediums. Also, the immunity level to interference and crosstalks is higher in optical fiber communication system, and it also has very low power consumption and wide scope of system expansion and etc. The disadvantages of the optical fiber communication is the cost of interfacing equipment necessary to convert the electrical signal to optical signals. Splicing fiber optic cables is also very difficult, and it is also expensive to travel, expensive over short distance. It requires highly skilled installers to install the fiber optic cable during the installation, and adding additional nodes to the system is also a difficult process. Here we have given some of few advantage applications of your optical fiber communication system. It can be used in public network field, which includes trunk networks, junction networks, local area networks, submerged systems and synchronous systems. And it is also used in the field of military, civil, consumer and industrial applications. The field of computers, which is the center of research right now. The propagation of light is described in two theories, which is known as the ray theory and wave theory. In the ray theory, we can see the rays are transmitted in two methods known as the meridional rays and skew rays. And in the wave theory, light is described as the electromagnetic waves. In the next video, we will discuss about the propagation of light in means of meridional ray and skew. Thank you.